Hello, and welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP has now moved very deep into the micro resistance area between 264 and 275. This is the area we wanted to see tested. Actually, already a couple of days ago, 1 or 2 days ago, I think yesterday it was, when I highlighted, okay, this move down looks already like yellow wave 1, but it didn't start a wave 2, and well, it hadn't started it back then. Today, or yesterday, depending on the time zone, it then started the wave 2 corrective rally, and it still looks a bit like a wave 2, but any further upside would increase the likelihood for the orange directly bullish scenario. Here on the smaller time frame chart, there's really the main focus now is on this resistance area and the green resistance line, or rather breakout line, signal line, which is located here at 283, 284. So above $2.75 or $2.75, so 2.755, the yellow scenario, which is bullish but allows for a deeper pullback, will become less probable. It will only be invalidated though with a break above 285, 284, 285, above the signal line. So we have a wave 1 down and a wave 2 up in the yellow count. I have added micro support, which means below this pivot at 252, the probabilities for the yellow scenario will increase even further, and then we should see the price move down roughly like that. Yeah, probably into the region between $2.10 and $1.95, whereas $1.95 is not only important Fibonacci support for our bullish case, but also important structural support where the price found a lot of support in recent weeks and months. So this is the yellow count. I would call that bullish but short-term bearish. And in the orange wave count, the market can move up more directly. I will probably make this primary count once the price breaks and sustains above $2.75, which would, however, also involve a break above the green signal line at 284. Yeah, so this is what I need to see, and then this move would open the door to a rally to round about $3.40 in the next instance. So we are now again at the key spot, key pivot up here. I assume this is a high B wave, and now I'm not so sure anymore if this really is the yellow count. The reason is that this decline is quite long. It's quite extended, yeah. So normally when we have a structure like that and we say, okay, we have an A wave down, we have a B wave up, then, well, normally we say a C wave should then reach the area between the 100% extension, 229, and 161.8 extension, $2.01. I mean, there is space, but what I want to say is this wave 1 is already quite long. It was about time that wave 2 started. So it's still okay, you know, as long as we stay within the blue zone all the way down to the 161.8 extension, it's okay. So it would be okay, but all I want to say is it is quite long for a wave 1 here, yeah, in this context, but not too long to be valid. So we have to keep an eye on both counts. At the moment, both of these scenarios are valid, but we are now moving just below resistance and just above micro support here, 252. So it's really there is not much more space. So whatever the market is doing now could give us a decision, which is quite interesting. So that's what we're observing now. Please don't forget, any move above 283, 284 would likely lead to a rally to 340. At least this is going to be the next main resistance level that could act as a magnet as the price goes higher. But also XRP, like many of these other coins, XRP must break above, well, the green line, but also here the 3rd of February high, which is a little bit lower, but ultimately this swing high on Friday, Saturday did not really hold above. It couldn't move above. The price couldn't move above this 3rd of February high. It's just marginally higher. So ultimately, it's this wave 1 high that a lot of altcoins are currently struggling with. But overall, as long as we're holding 195, the upside momentum stays intact, and the bullish thesis also remains valid and relevant. Yeah, that's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. If you're interested in additional infos, analysis about XRP, I plan an XRP video. Well, tomorrow, the next video will be about XRP on our MCO Global channel. For those of you who don't know this channel yet, it's our new main channel. It's additional content. It is more in-depth content. There will be interviews at some point. I want to bring the different MCO communities together here on this channel. And yeah, I covered Tesla today, if that interests you. There is definitely an opportunity there. Covered Solana a few days ago. That was a very popular video. Bitcoin. And I will talk about XRP in depth. We take a look at news, what's going on in the XRP world. And also I want to take a look at some on-chain data and then combine all of this with Elliott Wave. So that's the update about XRP. Thank you very much. By the way, I'll leave you the link to this channel in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.